Assessment Division proudly presents the Pasko sa Isla Pantropiko Fashion Runway! First up, Atonisha and Mogay. Next in line, Mom Jazz with Attorney Bindi. Next, Serpent and Mommy Joy. Take your pose. Take your pose. At the center. Pose. Next is Happy Bobby and Jenny. With Mom Dad. And Bill. Next in line will be Mom MJ with Mom Prill. Mahirap-hirap itong mga kalaban natin dito. Ano pa kayo naman? Next, Sir Ace and Mom Jules. Our powerful group supervisors. Next in line will be Sir JR and Kuya Bimbo, the twinning tandem. Next up, Sir Mark and Sir Kevin. The powerful guest, lady. First, grabe na fashion niya, Sir Kevin. Fashion icon of RIP. Next will be the Cities of Bless, Mom Sham and Mom Tony. Next, the Lovers, Mom Astrid and Sir Moses. With the grand hands. Moana inspired, Moana and Maui. Next up, Jade and Mom Jade. The Siblings. Ay, hindi pala. Next up will be Mom Gladdy with Mom Arian. Nakpakan nyo naman. Next up, Ate Fritz and Mom Lian. Next, Mom Jerlene and Grace. Not released. Our newest addition to the 80 family, Kuya Jason and Sir Theo. Now please stay in front for the final judging of Attorney siya magdedetermine kung sino ang winner of Best in Attire. Okay. Face front. Face front. Face front for the first.